Hello. Weird intro, but there's a Vesteria added a fishing update, so I'm gonna yeah, we're gonna be looking at that. I don't really know what to say. I'm here for the views. No, I'm kidding. Breaking news, Nitro secretly in it for the views. So apparently there's a new guy called Sea Mage, and I gotta find him, and then I can do quests or something like that to get stuff to do things. I don't know. Whoa, wait, you. Wait, can I get inside? Come on. Oh, come on. When I was out here, you were like bellowing or something. I don't know. What do you call it? You call it bellowing. I think that's what they call it. That's what they call it. Don't even question it. And I heard you can also buy fishing rods now for a fairly cheap price. Oh, there's a dead person. Never mind. I have to find the guy, though. How am I gonna find the guy? You know what? I don't want frame kill, because Roblox is only a 60 FPS system, and then being in a server with 5 million people all spamming the fishing rod, which is already abnormally laggy, if that's the right word to use there. I think it is. No, I don't care. Yeah, you know what? I just don't care. Alright. Small server. I got to find the guy. He's probably in like the most obvious location, but I just can't seem to find him. Where? Where's the guy? And what do I get for fishing? I haven't like gotten anything yet. Where? Give me fish. Click. Oh, fish. Wait. I don't want fresh fish. Whoa, what is this water? Oh, it's boat. Cool. Boat pog. Alright. I love this music. This music is cool. Aha! You there, kind sir. Where is the... Where is it? Whales, whales, whales. Oh, he's the whale quest guy. I don't remember how to do that quest. Darn. Bonk. Ah! Ah! Oh! Is that a puffer fish? Pog. Pogfish. Punk. Where do I find the guy? Where's the guy? The sea mage, the dude. Eh. That's gotta be painful. Aha, them. They've dyed armor. They know things. I must extract the information. Yeah. Bonk. You. I can spell, I swear. Okay. Which dock? See, I can spell. That's accurate spelling somewhere, probably. He said fishing dock. Am I just stupid? There's got to be like 50 of them. There are. I mean, look. Everything is a dock. But I'm in the right place, obviously. Ooh. The thing. Eh. Heh. Open. Fish. Give fish. Stupid scam. Boink. Which dock? Seriously. Heh. Alright, I'm just gonna edit out until I find it. Or maybe not, because the guy said it. Chat. Is it there? Heh. Heck. Alright. Perfect parkour. Exactly what I meant to do. Precisely. Yo, get out. I do not. Ugh. Use chat. I don't like that. Actually, I don't care. Hello. Are you the person? Oh wait, there's a chest here. What? What? Open sesame. Useless. You sell rockfish overpriced. I get rockfish for free in lake. Probably. Yeah, you there. Need to find Sea Mage. You're not Sea Mage, you're one-eyed Chuck. Are you Sea Mage? You don't even speak. You're the cannon? I'm gonna assume over there, where they said that. I don't know where the guy is. I don't... What? Where? Oh, it's the fishing guy! But that's not Sea Mage. I hate caps lock. I didn't even mean to type that there. Okay, that's unfortunate. I'm getting help from all the people. Yes, where are they? So many people becoming hunters. Disgusting. Ugh. I'm a warrior, and you can fly. Okay. Gotta go to guild hall. Is this the thing? This is guild hall. Oh no, he's invisible. Is he? He said he fixed it. I don't see him though. You! Haha! Yes, hi. What? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna follow him and hope I'm fast. No, wait, come back. I'm not an assassin, I can't... Oh, yay, he's waiting. How nice of him. Wait! No, that slowed me down even more. Now I do mean to type in caps. It's Kevin Jr. Fishing Supplies. I am very smart. Hello there, sea mage. Wavebreaker helmet. Seriously, I have to throw things out. What fish do I not want? Chomp. Oh, okay, it's gone. How unfortunate. Which one of these do I want, though? Probably the helmet, because I'm a warrior maid. I still can't view the... Alright, rockfish, boink. And you can go there too. Boink. I don't care. I don't care. It's for the helmet. I need to get the helmet. Where it at? Give it. Items you need? Oh. I didn't actually have to throw anything out. That's annoying. I need 10 hammerhead shark and 1 steel helmet. I can get a steel helmet for my warrior. But then I have to go all the way to Nilgarth. I don't have any runes. Yeah, that's not good. Boink. Boink. Okay. Great content. Where is... Hello there. I need hammerhead sharks. Fishing for hammerhead shark. I edit out everything where I do not get hammerhead shark. I only keep in my hammerhead shark. I need a good place to fish, one that makes me look cool. Ooh, what if I go over there? Boink. Yes, parkour. Wait, but how will I get it? It'll come up to me. It's like Minecraft, right? Ah! And it went down. Disgusting. I went all the way down to the bottom of the ocean to drown for a fresh fish. Despicable. This game. Maybe I should just do it at shore. Blah, 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 blah. You know what? I am the fish. Let's fish with this guy. Yeah, you can be my friend. Fish gang. Punk. A fish. It's just, it's another fresh fish. Boink. I don't have a high enough attention span for that. Stop! I don't like it when my fish go to the Shadow Realm. Nate, fix game. Bup. So, that's going to be the end of the video. Great content. Thank for watch time. Give me a view. Ha ha ha. Get trolled. No, I'm kidding. Subscribe anyway, though, for more amazing fishing content. Click. Bruh, it went to the shadow realm again.